Welcome to Chakra International. I'm Nirmal speaking. This is English for SPIPO, IBSPO Gate and Engineering Service Examination. Here the how to arrange the sentence. One thing is a physical training is there means only can present here. Physical training can save. So only option is RPSQ, that is A option. It is clearly physical training continuity. Then question to scientist. What is the option? What is the arrangement? One is scientist after say 5 means in the result scientist after first time managed to edit the genes in a human embryo to repair the genetic mutation failing the host as such precedents may one day be available outside laboratory condition. In the result announced in November Nature this week. These two sentences are related, so 1, 5 is there. Automatically you can say 2, 4 will be correct. Here the just life as death as its opposite, so it's tradition by default, the opposite of innovation. And it is not a truism to say that the tradition are not handed down unchanged but are invented. These two are related, so 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, other two you can easily know. Before here the one of the most dramatic examples in nature of hail, wind that blows goodness is lightning. And the lightning, he said, these two are continuous. Lightning starts. Here the last sentence, nourish out of the earth. Nitrogen are essential for a plant. So if you go to the meaning, you can know 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. Relaying the narrative structure alone indigenous significance of 19th century sun factors are hard to determine. The meaning can be elicited. See, the determined meaning can be elicited. These two sentences are continuous. Determined meaning to be so 1 point automatically 3, 2 you can easily selected the phrases selected. You should check the first for the first sentence. Check the first word for the last. For second option, you check the what is the last 2, 3 words. Accordingly, you select the best option in the balanced sentence. Here, man has used the last sentence occasionally against the armies. The foundation of microbiology, Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch. So he always check what is the first sentence, the meaning, the last two words, then check the what is the matching the first 2, 3 words of the balanced sentence. It is the 1, 3, 2, 4. Which of the following grammatical you had better tell her everything or else you will lose your friend. This is the only best option. You had better tell, not told. You had better tell, not told. So told means automatically all it. Then 2, 1 and 3 will be removed. You better hard tell. No. You had better tell. You cannot better hard not. You had better tell. Then here is this sentence a very easy one. The historically medicine entirely arbitrarily connection entirely in order historically medicine has been operated trial and error. In other words, arbitrarily we know that there can be entirely fruitless connection. This the option 4 is the correct. Similarly, brain, a map is useful metaphor for brain when talking about the perception, because brain means perception. So this is the brain means perceptions. This is a psychological word. Again, here this is a slightly complicated one. I have good knowledge of German. I have good. It is incorrect. I have a good knowledge. Then question number 3. The whole Delhi was celebrating Independence Day. No, Delhi was celebrating. So not whole Delhi. Whole is not needed. Then he knows to swim. No, right term. I know how to swim. He knows to I know how to swim. This is the sentence 1, 3, 5 incorrect. Here the same again is coming. Political advertising on social media comes in many famous forms and remains unexpected in India. Here the yes, on examine in India, you see the R political campaign, should political campaign pay social media company to promote their content. So SRQTB is the correct option. First check the which the best option the sentence, then check the last two words of the first correct, select the option, then first word of a balance sentence. Which of the following can be best inferred based on the above paragraph? IT professor who eat eggs for breakfast are more likely to make more money than their counterparts who eat donuts for the breakfast. People who work law, hotel, food service, technology are found mostly likely to skip breakfast daily. According to research study, as per people who do eat breakfast or prefer the savory type of egg, the study found they tend to make more money. We night owls prefer cats over the dog. If you prefer sweet breakfast like do not, if friend may be meaning like room house. See, third is a completely appropriate sentence. The long term here the answer long term trend of global surface temperature is unrelated to El Nino. Global surface temperature 2019 are on the track to be either the second or third warmest since needed records began in mid 1800, behind the only 2016 and possible 2010. On the top of the long term warming trend, temperature of 9 to 19 have been buoyed by the mandate of El Nino event that is likely to persist through the rest of the year. Which of the following say can be best inferred from the above? A long-term trend of global surface temperature is unrelated to El Nino. Actually, that's correct. If you forget the sentence also, if scientifically El Nino is a not long-term trend, it is a only yearly phenomena. Because El Nino is responsible for good monsoon or bad monsoon in India. So West Asia has been in turmoil. And perhaps which comes to pre-convenient forget under which it functions. This is correct. And there is a distress across the ecological spectrum. That's correct. The great talent preachers are hardly suggested correct. And here the sworn in after the electoral verdict and a spotty error here the cigarette which each person makes does some harm. Eventually you, not you, it he. Everyone of the men present here are given days per as their his contributions. Here the wrong meaning, positive meaning shortfall correct. Infamy notoriety, prodigal, lavish is correct, prosperous, clear is correct. There is some actually hate, not love. Exonerate, absorb, free. So with this presentation is complete. If you like, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.